Much gratitude, much gratitude. Yeah. Like you got and because you gotta be free. No worries. See what I'm saying? See that inner child ain't worrying about nothing. That inner child is creator. So that that inner child is on a love frequency, so it's gonna do whatever comes to mind and be creator. It's gonna be creative. So you gotta know that you are creative. Whatever you put your mind to, you can do it. You know, a lot of people get in their own way. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Ashe, much gratitude for y'all tuning in. This is the love frequency. This is the love station. No worries, no fear, no judgment. Ashe. Cause like you gotta know when we were kids, like shit, we wasn't worrying about shit. Imagination was on fleek, on point. See what I'm saying? And that's the state we supposed to be. That's our being. See what I'm saying? Peace, God. Peace, God. Much gratitude for you tuning in. See, that's the state that we supposed to be. That's why the oppressors knew that. Because we are creator. See what I'm saying? That's why they try to interfere with our creation. Because they want to take credit for our creation. See what I'm saying? Only remaking shit. Like they want to be us so bad. And that's one of the things. We came here just to be. And explore ourselves, master ourselves, and that's ourself. Our soul is a child, so you have to create, because like if you don't do what's in your heart to do, then you won't feel good about it. You won't feel right about it. That's why they created this system, like got us paying bills and shit. You know, got us paying bills because you don't want to work for no damn body. Nobody don't want to work for nobody. Nobody don't want to go to work in their system. So you doing a disservice to yourself by doing that. And I don't knock people, you know, with a 9 to 5. Fuck, we all been there. Some of us still, you know, there, but at the same time, you know, that was a part of them trying to stop us from being who we are. Yes, karmic debt.